Today we're gonna learn how to add more users to our account on the platform on Kliniki. So first thing is to go to our users tabs here on the left. We're gonna see our current users that have access to the platform, and I'm gonna now click on add users here on the top right. This will take us to the create users page. And to create a new user, all you need to do is add a name, email address, and password. That password can be changed by that user once they log into the platform in their account tab. So I'm gonna add my new user, which is called new user. I'm gonna give them an email at email.com or whatever email I choose, and I'm gonna give them a password for them. Now you get to the permissions tab, where if you see a star, this is an admin permission, like those three in here, which is an important permission that you need to be careful about who you're giving it to. So from here, I first have my tabs section. I can choose which of those tabs my new user has access to. So can they have access to the calendar? Can they have access to the patients, to the sessions, to the accounting, statistics, to their account page, or to the business tools? I can choose all of the permissions that I need to give them. Do I want to give them the ability to create a new user or not? Do I want to give them the ability to access the organization settings or not, or access other users? I can also give them a create ability or an edit ability, and then I would create that user, and that user would be now able to log in to the platform and use the permissions or use the features that they have the permissions for. Thank you.